Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll show you how to install and set up MAMP on your Mac. If you are working with PHP, MySQL, or just want a local server environment to test your websites, this tutorial is perfect for you. So first of all, open your browser and search for MAMP. Go to the downloads page. We are going to download for Mac OS. This version requires minimum version 11. Probably I have 13 point something, so I can download this. It will take some time. Our download is done, so let's check it out. Continue. Agree. Install. Requires your password. It will take some time. We're done with the installation process. Now let's close it, move to Bean, and we're going to open it. Click on the start button. Go to the tools, PHP MyAdmin, and now here is your local server environment, and that's it. You have successfully installed and set up MAMP on your Mac. Now you can start working on your web development projects in a fully functional local server environment. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon for updates on more tech tutorials. Got questions or suggestions for future videos? Drop them in the comments below. Happy coding, and I'll see you in the next video.